We thank you for all the blessings and graces bestowed upon us. Thank you for keeping us safe and healthy. We pray for your guidance as we gather today for our weekly programs. Give us the wisdom to understand your words, strength to overcome our weaknesses, patience to endure the challenges we experience at our ministry. Continue to bless us and gratitude in our hearts, so that we may always seek the goodness of your things, and find the inspiration to perform our duties with our utmost dedication. Father, we commit this day to you and ask you to go with us. Amen.
Engineer Bayog, Chief of the Division, Engineer Assistant Chief of the Construction Division, Attorney Tucuran, Chief of the Administrative Division, who is attending today via Zoom, and also Engineer Maharlika, Chief of the Quality Assurance and Hydrology Division, who is also attending today's briefing conference via Zoom. To the Technical Working Group, Office and First, Secretariat, Procurement Lead, headed by Engineer Jasmine Pablo, to our interested leaders, guests, fellow workers in the government, and to everyone who is watching today's briefing conference. Welcome to the procurement activity scheduled for today. For the record, today is October 10, 2024. Before our attendance, I call on Engineer Guidance to be the roll call. Good afternoon, Madam Chair. Good afternoon, everyone. We'd like to acknowledge the following for the briefing conference of various infra projects. For our government side, we have our regional bank members, and by our voucher person, Attorney Diversion Tucuran, our regular bank members, Attorney Tucuran, Engineer Dalilo De Leon, and Engineer Dominic Bawaki. Our bank divisional member for construction projects, we have Engineer Gerald Arbanera. We also would like to acknowledge our presenters for today's briefing. We have from the Planning and Design Division, we have Engineer Lex C. Sardan, Engineer Franklin Andres, Engineer Jamil Abdul Karim, and Engineer James Clayton P. Delfino. We also would like to acknowledge the members of the Procurement Group headed by Engineer Jasmine J. Pablo. For our contractor side, we have Pagadian Construction Development Corporation. We have Justin China Sablero. From the Richie Natali Development Corporation, we have Jordi Duyak and Engineer Grace Castillo. That's for Madam Chair. Thank you, Engineer Dragon. Considering the majority of the members of the PAC are present, following this period here, we will now proceed to the briefing conference for various infrastructure projects to be implemented by the DPWH Regional Office 9. For our agenda, we have the brief presentation of basic content data, questions or comments from the leaders, other matters, and lastly, summary of proceedings, including supplemental or brief bulletins to be issued. We will now move on to the brief presentation of the basic content data. Our presenter, can you proceed and introduce yourself before proceeding with your presentation?
Good afternoon, I am Engineer James Filipino from the Planning Design. For the project 25J00019, road widening, primary roads, Maharlika Highway, Buboan Junction, Karomatan Junction Road, 1648 to 1638. Appropriation of 20,949,000 ADC, 12,607,000 prices peso. Station TV 1648 262 1648 045 with a net length of 307 linear meter. Total project duration 139 calendar days. Number of predetermined 21 calendar days. Unworkable days 14 calendar days. Source of funds, GOPCY 2025. Desirable starting date upon approval, mode of implementation record. Items involve Part A, facilities of engineers. Part B, other general requirements. Part C, earthworks. Part D, sub-base and base course. Part E, surface courses. Part G, drainage and slow protection structures. Part H, miscellaneous structures. Minimum equipment requirements. 2 dump truck, 1 payloader, 1 bulldozer, 1 backhoe with pavement maker, 1 backhoe, 1 motorized road grader, 1 vibratory roller, 1 motor truck, 4 transit mixer, 2 concrete vibrator, 1 concrete batching plant, 1 concrete feeder, 1 concrete saw, 1 bar cutter, 1 mechanized joint sealer machine, 1 cargo truck, 1 cutting outfit, 1 bagger mixer, 1 plate compactor, 1 backhoe wheel drive, 1 cargo truck, 1 applicator machine, 1 digging machine. Technical personnel required, 1 per project manager, 1 accredited project engineer, 1 accredited materials engineer, 1 geometry control, 1 foreman, 1 materials subject, 1 safety officer, 10 masons, 6 carpenter, 10 skilled laborers, 20 unskilled laborers.
My name is Franklin Andres from Karomatan Administration. For the project 250003, construction of bypass and diversion roads, Sominot Mahayag Road from Mahayag. For the project description, appropriation 50 million, ABC 47.25 million. Station limits, station 11 plus 7 to station 12 plus 60. Net debt 1,159 meter. Project duration 231 calendar days, to determine 25 calendar days. Unworkable 23 calendar days. Source of fund, DPWH 2025, 7 Saturday upon approval, board of implementation of program. For the items of work involved, facilities for the engineer, other general departments part B, networks, sub-base and base course, part B surface course, part B drainage, resource protection structures, part H miscellaneous structures. For the minimum equipment requirements as shown in the screen, and the technical personnel required, the minimum technical personnel required.
Good afternoon. I'm Serena from the Second Division. For Project 25J00023, Preventive Maintenance Primary Roads, Maharlika Highway, Pagadian City, Zamboanga City Road, 1684 plus 300 to 1684 plus 597.68, and 1688 plus 500 to 1689 plus 00. 1700 plus 360 to 1702 plus 561.5. Project description, appropriation 100 M, ABC 96.5 M. Station limits 1684 plus 300 to 1684 plus 597.68, 1688 plus 500 to 1689 plus 00. 1700 plus 360 to 1702 plus 561.5, and net 2,999.80 divided. Total project duration 142 calendar days, number of pre-meter 22 calendar days, unworkable days 40 calendar days, source of funds GOPCY 2025, desirable starting date upon approval, mode of implementation by contract. Item involved in this project are Part A, facilities for the engineers, Part B, other general requirements, Part E, surface courses, Part H, miscellaneous structures, minimum equipment requirements. Pneumatic tire roller, 1, power broom, 1, standard steel roller, 1, cargo truck, 1, asphalt distributor, 1, asphalt paver 1, barricade flasher light 23, applicator machine 1, cleaning machine 1. Technical personnel required. Project manager 1, accredited project engineer 1, accredited materials engineer 1, geometric control 1, foreman 1, materials laboratory technician 1, safety officer 1, mason 10, carpenter 6, laborer skilled 10, and unskilled 20.
For the project, I think in 5 day or 6 025, construction of missing links, new roads, City-Zamboanga Road, Bayog, Zamboanga Sur, second, package 2. For the project description, appropriation 30 million, ABC 27.329 million. Station link is 41 plus 640 to 40 plus 300. And then is 660 linear meter. Project duration 1 to 4 calendar days. Number of predetermined 19 calendar days, and workable 12 calendar days. Source of fund, DOPC 2025, desirable starting date upon approval of implementation of the program. For the items of work, for Part A, facilities for engineering, Part B, other general departments, Part C, and earthworks. Part B, surface and waste course, Part B, surface courses, Part E, drainage and soil protection works, Part H, miscellaneous traffic. For the minimum equipment requirements as shown on the screen. And the minimum technical personnel required.
For the project 25300030, preventive maintenance primary roads along Maharlika Highway, Lanao, Pagadian, Zamboanga City Road, 1726-098 to 1726-253, 1726-253 to 1726-298, 1749 to 1749-65. Appropriation of 43.39 million, LBC 41.874 million, 17 station B 1726-78 to 1726-253, 1726-253 to 1726-298, 1749 to 1749-65, net of 835 linear meter, total project duration 102 calendar days, number of determined 16 calendar days, 10 calendar days and workable days, COP CY 2025, desirable starting date upon approval, mode of implementation by contract. Items involved: Part A, facilities for the engineers. Part B, other general requirements. Part E, surface courses. Part H, miscellaneous structures. Minimum equipment requirements: 1 new tire roller, 1 power room, 1 condensed fuel roller, 1 cargo truck, 1 asphalt distributor, 1 asphalt paver, 23 barricade flasher light, 1 applicator machine, 1 milling machine. Technical personnel required as shown.
For delivered tables 0033, construction of flood control structure along Kabasalan River, Phase 6, Package Street, Barangay Talbena, Kabasalan, Zamboanga, Sugal. Appropriation of 152 million, ABC 146 million 630,000, station limits 002, 533, 533 linear meter. Total project duration 152 calendar days. Number of predetermined 51 calendar days. Workable days 43 calendar days. Source of funds DPWH 2025. Desirable starting date upon approval. Mode of implementation by contract. Items involved: structural concrete, reinforcing steel, unlaid rock embankment, structural excavation, structural steel sheet piles furnished and driven. Minimum equipment requirements as shown. Technical personnel required as shown. For 25J0034, construction of flood control structure along Kabasalan River, Phase 6, Package 4, Barangay Etel Pena, Kabasalan, Zamboanga City. Appropriation 152 million, ABC 146 million 680,000, station limits 533 to 1 plus 111, net length 578 linear meters, total project duration 352 calendar days, number of pre-determined 51 calendar days, workable days 43 calendar days. Source of funds group is 2025, desirable starting date upon approval, mode of implementation by contract. Major items involved in Part B, reinforcing steel, structural concrete, reinforcing steel. Part L, flood and river control drainage, and rock embankment, structure excavation, structural steel sheet piles, furnished and plated. Minimum equipment requirements as shown. Technical personnel required as shown. For 25J0035, construction of flood control structure along Kabasalan River, Phase 6, Package 5, Barangay Etel Pena, Kabasalan, Zamboanga City. Appropriation 151,130,000, ABC 145, 840,450, station limits 1 plus 111 to 1 plus 703, net length 592 linear meters, total project duration 362 calendar days, number of pre-determined 51 calendar days, unworkable days 43 calendar days, source of funds UPC 2025, desirable starting date upon approval, mode of implementation by contract. Major items involved, same now. Minimum equipment requirements as shown, and technical personnel requirements as shown.
For project 25J0036, preventive maintenance, primary roads along Maharlika Highway, Lanao, Pagadian, Zamboanga City Road. Page 1757 as -757 to 1757 as 868. Project description, appropriation 85,307,000, ABC 82,321,255, station limit, say, net 1,585 linear meters, total project duration 132 calendars, number of predetermined 20 calendar days, unworkable days 30 calendar days, source of funds GOP CY 2025, desirable starting date upon approval, mode of implementation by contract. Item involved Part A facilities for the engineers, Part B other general requirements, Part E surface courses, Part H miscellaneous structures, minimum equipment requirements as shown, technical personnel required as shown.
For 25J0007, preventive maintenance, primary roads along Maharlika Highway, Lanao, Pagadian, Zamboanga City Road, kilometer 1773 plus 361, 1775 plus 1. The project description appropriation 115.151 million. ABC 111 million 120,715 pesos. Station limit 73 plus 361 to 1775 plus 1. Net debt 1,822.53 million. Total project duration 149 calendar days. Number of pre-determined 23 calendar days. Unworkable 15 calendar days. Source of Fund, GOPCY 2025, Isarabas Certificate of Approval, Implementation by Outcome. For adding supporting goals, Part E, Facilities for Engineering, Part B, other general parties, Part C, Networks, Part D, Service Force, Part E, Service Force, Part H, Recycling Structures. For the minimum equipment requirements as shown on the screen, and minimum technical personnel requirements.
For 35J0040, construction of headquarters, building, tactical operations wing, West Mincom, Zamboanga City, Phase 2. Appropriation 70 million, ABC 67,550,000, project duration 300 calendar days, total funds previously in 2025, desirable start date upon approval, mode of implementation by one month. Major items involve Part C earthworks, structure excavation, embankment from structure excavation, gravel field. Part B, reinforced concrete, forms and false works. Part E, finishing and other civil works. Part F, electrical works, and Part G, mechanical works. Minimum equipment requirements: 1 backhoe, 2 dump truck, 1 plate compactor, 2 concrete vibrator, 1 concrete, 1 bar bender, 1 bar cutter, 2 welding machine, 1 cutting outfit, 1 truck mounted crane, and 1 power mixer. Technical personnel required, same.
For Project 25J0071, rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged street roads, primary roads, Maharlika Highway, Lanao Pagadian, Zamboanga City Road, 1758 plus 370.51 to 1758 plus 640.61, and 1764 plus 187 to 1764 plus 330. 1768 plus 00 to 1768 plus 42, and 1860 plus 310 to 1860 plus 975. Project description, 23,444,000, ABC 22,623,460. Station fees say net 1,129.1 linear meter. Total project duration 112 calendar days. Number of predetermined 17 calendar days. Unworkable days 11 calendar days. Source of funds GOP CY 2025. Desirable starting date upon approval. Mode of implementation by contract. Item involved Part A, facilities for the engineers. Part B, other general requirements. Part C, earthworks. Part D, surface and base course. Part E, surface courses. Part H, miscellaneous structures. Minimum equipment requirements as shown. Technical personnel required as shown.
File 00091. Construction of bypass and diversion roads, Zamboanga City Diversion Road Management, Zamboanga City. Project description, application 16 million, ABC 57.9 million. Station limits 8 plus 460 to 8 plus 64150. Net debt is small 81.8 million. Total project duration 254 calendar days. Source of fund 27.5. Starting date upon approval for implementation by contract. For the item report, Part A, facilities for engineering. Part B, other general departments. Part C, reports. Part D, service and base course. Part F, bridge construction, Part 3, drainage and storm protection structures. For the remaining equipment requirements as shown as listing, and technical personnel required as shown.
That's
In addition to the basic contact data, engineering guideline would like to emphasize several important orders which must be included during the bidding of the projects earlier presented. Thank you, Madam Chair. So for the information of everyone, the Bank Secretariat would like to inform or mention the necessary document requirements to be attached on the technical envelope of the bidders. So the bidders shall first attach in their technical documents a certification of accredited contractors PE to be open during the opening of bids. So please refer to the Department Order number 118, Series of 2024, with the subject guidelines on the accreditation and assignment of contractors and consultants project engineers. Also, the contractors are also encouraged to please refer to the Department Order number 110, Series of 2024, with the subject implementation of ISO 9001-2015 certification requirement for large A, medium B, and medium A contractors in the procurement of infrastructure projects of the department. So this is to ensure that the utmost effectiveness and efficiency in public service that adhere to international standards. So this requirement applies to bidders classified under the following Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or the PCAB size range and are participating in the department's procurement of infrastructure projects with an EPC range to with PCAB size range of large A. The allowable range of contract cost is more than 300 million but less than 450 million. This also includes for the medium B. For the ERCC, more than 150 million but less than 300 million. And medium A for the ERCC, more than 30 million but less than 150 million. So for further information, we encourage the contractor to please refer to this department order. And also, to provide guidance to all concerned on the requirement for the acceptance of treatment on the national primary roads, to include measurements using inertial profile, we encourage to please refer to the Department Order number 48, Series of 2019, with the subject guidelines on the use of inertial profiler, IP, for the inspection and acceptance of treatment on the national primary roads. Additional, we also encourage the contractor to please attach in their technical documents a certification of their accredited budget plan to be open during the opening of bids. So please refer to DO number 253, series of 2003, with the subject accreditation of asphalt and Portland cement concrete budget plans. That's all, Madam Chair. Thank you. Thank you, Engineer Ganda. For your guidance, the following DOs, which was earlier mentioned by Engineer Ganda, are available in the DPWH website. We will now move on to our second agenda. We have comments or questions from our interested leaders. For our last agenda, any change with respect to the basic contract data earlier presented shall be covered by a supplemental or bid bulletins to be issued by the bank, which shall be posted in the new jobs and the DPWH website. There being no other matter to discuss, on behalf of the Bids and Awards Committee, I would like to extend my gratitude to our hardworking engineers, to Engineer Red Sardanian, Engineer Franklin Andres, to Engineer Jamil Abdul Karim, and of course, Engineer James Clinton Filipino. Thank you so much. To the Procurement Unit and the Secretary, and the Preventive Trustee, Pablo. Thank you for the support. And to our guests and participating leaders, we look forward to see you during the mini conference, the opening of this. And lastly, to everyone is watching today's procurement activity via YouTube channel of the DPWH Regional Office 9. Good afternoon. The meeting conference is now adjourned.